Do we need the laser set up anymore? You gotta grab your drill.
Bought this with mirrors. Screwed up.
So the joke is that Dad bought this thing and brought it down here, and then we've been using it. We've been telling him all the things he's supposed to buy with it, including
Keep it for the summer.
The handles and the mirrors, and there's a few other things that were windshield would be nice. Right next to the tractor is fine. Or right just over to the side is fine. I took advantage of the guys being down there to get the fertilizer I couldn't reach. So I'll be putting some fertilizer out while I'm redoing these beds. It was interesting. When we were down in the garage, we did see that Rimol actually sent, there was a pre-cut jig already out there. So they didn't actually have to make that big one. They could have used the one there.
Anybody got a knife in their pocket?
You don't have your knife?
No, it's in the house.
There's clippers right on the white table.
There's a lot of tape that we're going to be cutting.
So the girl...
These are nice and sharp.
Yeah, they shouldn't be used on tape, but they work. I need to sharpen all of my clippers for the season. So due to the wind and everything, we wanted to make sure that the arches that they do today can all connect to each other. So this is the support bar, I believe, that will connect them. So they'll get the first section done, hopefully. And I'm gonna get back to work on the garden stuff.
Oh, now we'll slide real easy. As I get more dirt. I'm right on the mark. Oh wait, I can't put it on the mark. We'll never get it together.
Well, I can go past it.
Yeah, you'll have to. Actually, Erica, can you, without cutting your fingers, yeah, I'm almost to the mark. I'm on the mark now.
And get on the mark over here. Oh, there's only one mark on one side?
Here, Erica. While I hold this.
Yeah.
Put that. Connect that to the buckle.
Yep.
Have the bolt going.
I wonder if this is the mark.
Oh, there's a pink mark.
Yeah, the pink mark.
So the guys made a bunch of progress. I was making really good progress over here until I damaged and cut my finger open really bad. Cut the whole nail through. So, yeah, so I think once they have this, then they can do the support to connect them together, which will be good.
This over. We might need to bend that pipe. Okay.
So there are marks on the pipes, and the instructions did have notes about going to the black line with X, and there's a pink line, a red line, and a blue line.
Can't forget our buckles.
No, the buckles. Oh, yeah. We should have done that now.
Where's that orange tape go you had?
Right behind you, Dad.
No, we don't need buckles on the things anymore.
The fourth one?
No, it's only 1 through 3.
Okay. So we're done then.
I got it. I just got it.
You want to do this one on the bench or do it over there?
I don't think it really matters. Probably up there again.
Erica, can you hold that flat, the tab? Is it flat?
Yep. Maybe a little twisted. It's close. How close does it need to be? Perfect?
The better it is, the easier.
All right, then we got to do some slight adjustments, I
Yep.
think, because this one is up a little bit versus yours.
Jason, I don't know where your
It's
self-tapper or what you had going.
That's the gun.
That's the gun?
That's something. I would just put the level against it. Yeah, this Sharpie mark's not good.
The what?
The Sharpie mark is not great.
I totally agree. That pink is hard to see.
Do you want help, Jace?
There's two marks. Is the blue mark above or below? I think it's below, isn't it? That's what happens when you leave these outside, I guess.
Yeah, they're just magic marker. It's gonna wear off.
So the blue mark's below the below, right? Yeah. And this one goes here.
You might have to put the the big ladder in the back of the pickup truck. What is your multi-ladder? Can that go 13 feet at the top?
Thought it was 15,
It does.
16.
Well, we
I
can try,
bought the bigger one
we
for
can
him.
try that won't do any good, but the 10 might. Because I'm going to guess it's at least 4 feet from the cross member to the ridge pole. Now if we stand it up,
See, that one's tall.
Oh, stop.
is that locked?
22 feet extension.
Yeah, but I don't know what
The height, this is what. No, this might be,
13.2 it says.
yeah, this is shorter than the
Than the other one.
step ladder's 10. This is only 9.
Well, that's supposed to go up a lot more than that,
Is there not?
right?
It says step ladders.
Watch it. Oh, just leaning. Made me nervous.
Ladder size.
Well, we'll try it. Otherwise, where's the truck, Erica?
Your truck?
Yeah.
Over just on the opposite side of the garage.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks
Well,
good.
we'll try it, but my guess is this will never reach that ridge pole with this.
Right.
This is when it gets sketchy.
Well,
I don't think it's going to fit in the back of the tractor.
this would fit in the back of the truck.
Tractor. I don't think it's going to fit in that.
Yeah, well, we can just
So we might have to do it in the truck.
back up a pickup.
Well, we'll try the 10. Well, let's just set this somewhere out of the way.
Just
Where do you want to go with it?
just walk it that way.
You don't want to see if
Oh, we'll try it.
I don't think it's gonna work.
I think this is way too short.
A little side note is that my dad worked on windmills back in the 80s, and he's worked on many towers over the years, including ham radio towers and communication towers for my uncle. So he says he hates heights. I'm sure he'll say it a couple times, but in all theory, he is very comfortable climbing. He's got a whole climbing setup and everything.
Okay. The other one will be a foot taller.
Though,
If we put it in the truck,
what I should always say is don't do what we do, because they're probably going to make some makeshift staging to make the ladders even
you've got
taller.
other stuff, don't you, or not?
So we're just about lunchtime now. They're going to try to finish this one more arch, and then we're going to take a break for lunch, and then they're going to just come back and get the connections done, it looks like. Little Three Stooges moment right there.
That's way, way stronger than my ladder. Okay, so if you want to pop the screws.
Oops.
Oops.
Check the level. There you go.
Are you level, Erica?
Yep.
Okay, push it towards this one.
Yep.
Unfortunately, Jason, these wedges are only about 3 1/4, so you can't go down here.
Okay.
You have to keep those screws about 1 1/2 inches. Okay. See, Erica, you're more handy than you think.
Yeah. Left-handed even.
We got all our buckles important.
No, it's not there. It's not. You're fine.
And we're going to go with the 26.
What?
What?
We flipped that pipe over. The screws need to go on this side.
The screw, say that again?
We're trying to keep everything consistent.
Oh, these screws?
Yeah.
Those sheet metal screws?
Yeah.
You really think that makes a difference?
For
That's
Jay.
me.
Okay.
He's letting a lot of stuff slide that I was rather surprised with, so,
Okay, so-
we'll give him this one. You shouldn't have to do much, Dad, there. It should just rotate.
Oh, that's true.
Those very important screws.
Well, here. Erica, is that near the middle? Okay, I want to be by it a tiny bit, otherwise it won't be in front of me.
Yep.
Can you put your feet on that?
Yeah. That looks perfect.
Okay.
Into the hole.
And you said no buckles, correct?
Not that I know of.
These things are scary, Erica. Those are sharp little.
They're my pruning shears. Unlike my hori hori that is brutally sharp.
All right. You got a pin, just in case.
That's like the unsung hero of the project so far.
Okay, so I guess we're all set. So you're gonna set yours, and I'm just gonna. I'll lock it in the top. Pete, you did all these. You got a bolt? Ready? I'm started. Go ahead with yours. I'll just hold it. Don't go by it. It's in or you went by it?
So it looks like their method is to get one perfect in with the bolt. And then my dad on this side was using the pin, that giant pin, to make sure it didn't go down too far on his side while Jay set his. And then Jay comes over and helps him on this side.
Perfect. It's perfect. Throw the bolt in quick.
So those pins have definitely been a huge help
Where you need to go.
during this project. It's a random tool, a little rabbit foot thing on the end there. This is so exciting. So remember when I said do not do what we do? This is one of those things from a safety standpoint. Probably not ideal. Dad's eating black flies at the same time. You can see this ridge pole up here connects these four together.
I can move those. I can move them laterally or side to side.
But I mean, is there any slack in the holes? Or are they pretty well?
They're fingered tight as much.
I mean, there's no slack in the holes though, right? Or is there?
Oh, in the machine holes?
Yeah. Watch this damn.
Oh, wait, we can't pull the truck at just a minute.
It's higher than
the ladder is going to catch the.
Yeah. So.
Do you want a gun?
Here, let's get rid of the ladder.
This is a silly question.
Here, go ahead and get down on the ground now.
Just lay it on your heading crack.
Oh, that's good.
Or,
Well,
back. Yeah.
okay, Erica, can you pull up?
Yep.
Silly question.
The head is all the way tight to the. I don't want to over tighten it.
Well, if it's all the way tight on the top, you're good. All right, you gotta pull forward now.
Okay.
Well, you gotta pull slow, Erica, because the ladder's gonna hit the cross member.
All right. So I'm only going like 1.5 feet. So they had me moving the truck while
Put it through.
they were
Put it through temporary.
on the ladder in the back and pulling the ladder back down, leaning on the ladder rack of the truck, moving forward or moving back.
Just lock that one in for
I gotta put a nut on it, otherwise she's gonna pop off.
That's fine. All right, let's go.
Go ahead.
Guys made more progress. So I'm gonna be driving the truck again for the ladder so they can do the top cap connector thing. Purling, I think they called it.
I want the female end on this side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in. Started. Not much though.
You went too far. All right, so we got this side.
Is the bolt in?
Yeah. You got more volunteer shirts, Dad, than I.
Yeah. This side's gonna be a pain.
Why?
The angle.
It's tight.
It's tight on the inside, it looks like. You got the pin?
A little more.
Oh, too much. Just barely. There you go.
Okay, this side's good. I don't know what that one looks. Okay, so Erica, we're gonna have
Oh
to.
man, you guys are so close.
What?
What do I have to do? Back the truck up?
Yeah, because we can't go over.
So you got 3 sections left. Wow. It's actually looking like something.